Hello guys, welcome back to our channel How To Tutorials. In this video, I'm going to show how you can create a WhatsApp group. So without any further ado, let's get straight into the video. First and foremost, you'll have to open the WhatsApp app on your device. You'll directly be able to view your chats. Now on the bottom right corner of your screen, you can see this icon. You'll have to tap on it and you'll be able to view your contact. As well as on top, you can see options to create new group, new contact or new community. You'll have to tap on the first option, new group. Then on this page, you can view your contacts whom you can add to your group. All you'll have to do is tap on that contact. Here I'm going to select 2 contacts from my group. After you've selected the members, on the bottom right corner of your screen again, you'll see this arrow button. Tap on it and you'll be led to this page where you'll see options to name your group, which is also optional. You can also customize your group permissions by tapping on the gear button and also select a group image by tapping on the camera icon. If you are done with your customization, all you'll have to do is tap on the tick button on the bottom right corner of your screen, and now you'll have successfully formed a group on WhatsApp. So it is that simple, and if you have found the video to be helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.